Buenos dias. I don't know why I blinked on that. Hello, Nora. You guys, I woke up this morning and we have 5 bookings at the cottage. Jaw dropped. We listed on Monday. Today is Wednesday morning, so we listed at around 4 p.m. on Monday. It's insane. Okay. I'm like flustered because I can't believe this. So we listed at 4 p.m. on Monday, and today it's 8:30 in the morning, Wednesday, and we have 5 bookings. 3 are for next week. Okay, and then we have 1 for May and 1 for April. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know what we were expecting, but every time our phone went off with the Airbnb notification, we were shook. Okay, baffled, flabbergasted, grateful. Also, another thing that I thought was going to happen is that our family would book, our friends would book, and our first guest is one of my close friends. Chris and his girlfriend are staying at the cottage because they have a wedding in Williamsburg, so it just worked out perfectly. But the next 4 are just Airbnb users, and we're just using the Airbnb platform right now. I almost set up our Vrbo as well, but I'm glad I didn't because I want to make sure I have a good use of syncing the calendar. We use Price Labs. That was a tip that I got from Kristen and Michael. They're also YouTubers who have an Airbnb in Joshua Tree. So got that from them, and so I immediately started using Price Labs right when we listed and made sure our calendars were synced before I published the listing, so that way I wasn't selling ourselves short. And I'm glad I did because I had originally priced the house at $85 a night, and we ran a 20% off special for the first 3 guests that stayed, but I didn't leave it at $85. I did what Lodgify suggested of Smart Labs, Price Labs, of what Price Labs put, and this is not sponsored. Obviously, I'm a small tuber. I don't have sponsorships and whatnot like that. But yeah, I used Price Labs right from the get-go and just priced out what they thought would be a great value, and they were right. They were right all along. So right now, I didn't expect to get this many guests for next week, so I need to finish up the guidebook and publish it. And then I'll just take you along for the ride. Bruce is here laying down. I'll show you guys. Say good morning. I finished the, I'm blinking. Finished the guidebook. I'll show you all what I have so far. I titled it Good Eats, Drinks, and Places to See in Williamsburg, Virginia. Around. We have the food scene. We have the food scene here, sightseeing, and city-town stuff. So let's preview what it'll look like. I didn't add a ton of pictures. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's cute. Oh my gosh, perfect. Love it. Okay, that honestly turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to, so cool. I was not expecting that. Awesome. Wow. I'm impressed with my... We need to go to Meadows Original Frozen Custard. I know what we're doing for a day date. You said it does look great?
Yep. Super professional.
Thanks, babe.
Super happy you're in my life because you make this a lot easier because I couldn't do that shit. So.
You could do anything you set your mind to.
Mm-hmm.
I believe in you. Come on. Go ahead, bro. Come on. Good boy. Some homemade, I made some homemade meatballs because we're having spaghetti meatballs tonight. But while I'm waiting for B to get home, I'm waiting to boil the pasta, obviously. And I want to hang our gallery wall, or at least start that process. So I have some command strips because I don't really want to put holes in the wall right now. Whew, so much. But I have all of our pictures, like, I just need to lay them out on the couch and then put them on the wall. I'm thinking I'm going to put it right here on this wall. I was going to do it on that wall and put something else right here, but I think it'd be so cute to have it right here. That way when people are sitting, they could see it instead of it being behind. It's just to, this right here, is to hide the cord. So I don't know how much I'm going to get done before Brandon gets home. I'm just going to see where this takes me. So yeah, enjoy the process. Oh, also an update on Airbnb stuff. We did have one guest cancel. Her dad was older and they didn't read the description fully, so we gave them a full refund. Just because she messaged me like less than 48 hours after they booked and we're like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I didn't read the description properly. My dad's he's older and won't be able to get up the stairs and stuff. So I was like, totally understandable. Go ahead, feel free to cancel your request. It'll be a full refund. So she did that, and we still have 4 bookings, and we did have one person reach out last night to ask a couple of questions. They haven't booked yet, but I pre-approved their booking, so maybe they will. I was coming in here to get something. I wasn't. I was looking for my phone. The dogs are just following me around. Here, let's prop y'all up there. Okay, so, oops. I have it somewhere in here, how I want the gallery wall to look. Oh, right here. Can you focus, please? That's kind of the idea. I don't know how it'll pan out on the wall, but we'll give it a go and see. Let me lay it out on the couch first. Okay, we had Bruce. Here's the dirt. Then we had, fun fact, this was a wedding gift from my parents when they got married, so it was gifted to them. And they're these really cool vintagey flowers, like the prints, and they have their birth months on them, December and April. And I saw them in their house and they weren't hung up. I was like, I want those. Can I steal them? And my mom said, yes, but you're not allowed to break them and you're not allowed to take them out of the prints. And I was like, good. That was not my intention, so it worked out. Thoughts? I like this layout. Watch out, Bruce. They're always right under me. And I'll play with it on the wall. But let's see. I'm trying to find the length of it. I need to get a tape measure. Hold on. So I measured the wall, and it's about 60 inches. Both sides. So from there, it's about 60 inches to the midpoint. Over here, and I want to make sure I fill up at least, let's see, half of that, like right in the middle. So I think we can play with that. Let me just measure this. The pictures themselves come out to about 45. So I just need to mark 45. Tape measure. I just need to mark 45 on here so I can see. I think I want it to start right here. So start it here. Obviously the height will change, but this is just, and then 45 is here-ish. That's straight. 45 is there. Okay. So yes. Is this gonna work? I don't know. Are we gonna hope so? Absolutely. All right. So like this. Yeah. I feel good. I feel good. I feel ready. I feel ready. Don't look at my hair. It's literally like week old hair, and I need to. Whew, please no. Okay, I'm thinking right here for the first placement. That looks good to me. So let's just put thumb tap in. You know what I mean? Let's just do it. Let's put it. Oh, I should probably like have a guide, you know. There. There. Wrestling. First print. Up. Is that straight? I need a level. That is my downfall for this. I need a level and I don't have one on hand. Oh wait, I think I do in my toolbox. Ooh, I like that. I like that quite a lot. Alright, this one is going to have to go up a little bit. On this side. Probably here. I think that'll look good. Let me just check my work. Make sure that's good to go. We have to stay in between 45. This is 45 right here. Right on the money, dude. Wow, I'm good. And then we'll just play around. We're just having fun with this. Let's just have fun. Let's not confine ourselves to whatever. How's that looking? Looks promising. All right, let me go grab my. I got it. Brandon just got home, so my plan is foiled. But yeah, we're gonna continue.
With everyone else, how is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying.
All of it is level. Yay! I really like that. Let's give you guys a closer look. Tuck this. Cute. I love it. And I started it off more because I have to tilt this mirror that way a little bit, but I love it. Okay, let me tilt it real fast. See? So cute. I love it. It fits so well. Look what Bee found in the backyard. Or where did you find it? It's a baby snake. Oh my gosh. So we're finishing up at the cottage. Our first guest checks in tomorrow. I'll show y'all my fit because it's kind of cute. We're going to a birthday party after this. So I just have on this little get up. This skirt is from White Fox. It has double slits on both sides. And this cute tie. I just swept all over here and in the kitchen, in the bedroom. Have to do that side and then Swiffer everything. Take out the trash. I put the guest book here with a pen and a cute message, if it focuses, from us. And everything else is done, minus the toilet seat. B is going to go grab one. And then that stuff we're taking home to do laundry. We added some coffee beans. The bag we added in broke, so I'll get a new bag after our first guest and then clean out this eventually. Let me show you what we did in the bathroom. Obviously, ow. So we added those. In the bathroom, I got the bottles from Amazon as well as the shelves. And we have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner available to our guests, but that's all clean and ready to go. Countertops all clean. That stuff clean. We added body lotion. I showed the stuff in the tour already, but we added a couple of other items that are available for use if people need it. More towels. That needs to be up here. I just moved it for display purposes, so we'll leave it They're stacked like that. Yeah. Okay. So that's all good to go. I need to finish sweeping. We have another, oh, and this is our supply closet. It'll be locked, not accessible. Also, while I'm fixing my hair, while we were here, we received another request to book. So that's 2 today. This morning, or not this morning, this afternoon we got a request to book, and then while we were here, we got a request to book. So I approved both of those, messaged them, and now we have more bookings. I can't believe how fast we're getting bookings, even without not having any ratings. It's a little nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie, because obviously I want people to stay because we are rated well and we treat our guests right. All right, the cottage is fully clean. So our first guest checks in tomorrow morning. It's Chris. Thanks, Chris, for staying. Hope you liked it. So in the next vlog, we'll update you guys on how that went. Our first guest experience, the cleanup, our second guest experience, the prep, all of the things in between, because obviously we want to be fully transparent and bring you on our journey with us. So again, the cottage Airbnb listing link will be down below in the description box, and the next vlog will be up Sunday. I have so much to fill you guys in on. I'm so excited. But until then, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you're not missing out on any of the vlogs or any other videos that we post in between. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. We have our Christmas wreath up still because there are eggs in the nest. Ah! So precious. Oh my gosh, there's fur. Oh, I can't.